Addiction is not a crime, it's a condition, a cry for help. But too often, we respond with judgment instead of compassion.
이 구사시디 아잉에 레이저다.
Oi sir, yam sai ni tawu sir.
Sida nupa ama mangga le truck chawa man.
Chasila. Oi chasi sir. Hoi, na. Hey, nang sida bisa sara manglay ya bro. Holo. Holo. Sida nang bisa sara manglay ya bro. Aptana nang siloro jing. Hey. Bisa sara manglay tawu sing ni.
납슨 눈으로.
Lok na friend come.
Is punishment the answer? Or are we pushing them deeper into darkness? This is Rahul, a man struggling with drug addiction. He needs hope, he needs deliverance, not punishment.
Rahul, nang natom tanate, nang dinghan na ba tawgano, nang su miyoy ba amani. Sama sida hing nabagi nang su haklay.
After a hard struggle, Rahul finally found the reason to live again, the reason to smile again, the reason to hope for the good life.